How to buy Solve protocol token. So this token came under the symbol of Solve, SOLV. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral codes down in description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token and go and engage with the community. As you can see, they have a big community with 300,000 followers. Now, if you click on the website, you will see in this website here. So this is the official website. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click on stake now, and it will be redirected to this page to be able to buy this token. Now, first of all, select the network. If you want to select BNB chain, Arbitrum, or any network here, for example, Ethereum, what you need to do next, click on connect wallet. Now connect your wallet. For that, I will use Bitget wallet. Now log into your wallet for that. After that, click on connect. Now what you need to do, as you can see, now you are be able to buy this token. So how how much you will deposit. Now select the token from here. For example, one of these tokens, for example, this token that they suggested, for example, 100, because I don't have any fund, I can't be able to see how much. Now enter or type here how much you want to buy, and here how much you will receive, they will show it here. After that, click on deposit and you will be able to buy this token. Now, as you can see, if you click on, as you can see in PancakeSwap info, you will be able to access to PancakeSwap.finance page to be able to buy this token, as you can see. Now I will just click on this, continue. Now I will just switch the network on the wallet. So as you can see, I will just log in. Just click on unlock, click on switch. As you can see, now here you can buy this token. Either you want to go to stake or activate your profile here. So you will be able to buy this token in PancakeSwap. So this is how to buy Solve protocol token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this video.